Alright, tis day 11 of Breakdown. Gotta get this crap done because there's about an entire week of rain a-comin'. So let's get dangerous. Well, I got a ton done today, but you can see I got the light in here, so that means we are out of time. All right, Tay. So, I don't have any more time to take them apart and put them in here nicely. So, the remaining ones, which are mostly just drop panels and a few of the crappy ones, I'm going to have to bring them in and set them up against here, and when I have time and help to undo them all, and that's where we'll go from there. Alright, as you can see, there's absolutely no light out here. So that is the end of our day. This is where we ended up. We just kind of piled up the last of the stuff. There's still one outside, but I don't really care right now. It's a really long day, and I got to go. See ya!